to say, but this is a K55 type performer. Kind of odd, they just put only one fan here and then have a light fixture here. You could probably do two, but that would probably be a restriction on the flow. I'm not entirely sure if that would be helpful to have like another fan here. K55XL type motor, most likely, because this is a newer library. I did not try to speak through the beginning of the video because I just want to respect this as a library. So that's why I made a quick video. So enough of my talking. But this fan does indeed look like the one I have, but with the 350 light kit.